smoke!
Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to another video. Thanks for tuning in. So today we're going to be taking off and painting the wheels. It's going to be kind of a cheap budget way to do it. So I know some of you guys are like professional painters and it's probably going to be cringy, but this is a great way to do it if you're trying to do it quickly and cheaply. So stay tuned. Cheers. The thread is always longer than I'm expecting on this. Like, look at that thing.
Would y'all look at this?
So I know some of you are probably cringing at this painting process, but this is a budget build. You know, I'm not a professional. It's okay to be an amateur at stuff. So if you're also an amateur like me and you're just trying to make your project look good, but with a cheap budget, this is the way to do it. You don't even have to take your tires off. You just deflate your tires, obviously take your wheels off the bike, and then you use playing cards. And you just line your wheel under the tire. That's why you need to deflate them so you can actually squeeze them in there. And then that's it. Then you tape off whatever you need to tape off and you start painting. So yeah, sorry if this is making you cringe because I'm doing such a like cheap budget way to paint my wheels, but hey, it works, so don't hate. I'm dumb. I put it in the wrong way. So you'll notice I didn't paint the drum cover. There's just a lot of moving parts on here and I didn't want to mess with any of that. Plan is I'm probably just going to polish it up a little bit. I'm sure someone was wondering why I didn't do that, so that's why. Alright, you made it to the end of the video. So my channel's got memberships now, and I'm gonna start doing polls on different parts of the build that you can be a part of. I'm gonna be doing giveaways with my merch that's coming out soon. So if you want to support me and get some cool perks along, you can click the join button on my channel and become a member. So take a look at that if you're interested. If not, I still appreciate you guys just being a part of the community and watching my videos. Alright, that's gonna do it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video, and if I can build a bike, then so can you. Cheers.